Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to integrate Unsplash API with Angular app. I have created Angular 10 app already. So I have created a very basic application into Angular. There is a one input text box which is having a placeholder like search keyword, this one, and this is the search images button. I have used Bootstrap here, Bootstrap CDN link, and once I will provide the input like car, it will fetch the Unsplash images and will display below down here like this. So I have got my Unsplash API after registering on unsplash.com. You can also register there and can get your access key and API information there. So you need access key for accessing Unsplash API. So let's quickly have a look into the code. I have created the UI into app.component.html file. So I am having this basically input text box which we have seen on the UI. I am providing search keyword here, and I am using two-way binding ng model basically. So this search keyword is basically a variable in our app.component.ts file. So here this search keyword is a variable and this is appending to this URL as an input. So for using two-way binding, you need to basically inject forms module into your application by importing from angular/forms. Also I am having the button search images button, created the search images function. We can see search image function here. I am making call to HTTP GET call to the Unsplash API. This is this URL is basically Unsplash API URL which I have received from unsplash.com site. So here environment.client ID is basically access key. I have saved into the environment.ts file as a constant, and I will be providing here after importing environment here. So we can set like this %query equal to, so it will be appending this search keyword basically input text box value. So this URL would be having this complete whole URL, and this will client ID will be replaced with access key, and %query equal to car, the input which we are providing into the text box. So once we get the data, we are binding this to this data variable. We are getting this results JSON object. We are printing this data on our HTML side. We are using ng4. So I am iterating over that JSON object results. I am having basically this attribute p.urs.regular. So this is basically image path. I am assigning this to the image tag, and so images are printed on our UI. So this is the way images are being printed.